Friday, April 6th. I am currently on my way to Shuttlesworth International Airport in Birmingham to pick up a Mr. Russell Bloomfield. Mr. Bloomfield just bought a Ford F-350 Super Duty dually Black Widow from my boy Eric Jones at Mountaineer Ford in Beckley, West Virginia. He was so excited to see his truck that he couldn't wait for it to be delivered to the dealership. So he got in a plane this morning, flew into Birmingham, and he's gonna take his truck home today. While I'm on the way to the airport, I'm actually gonna show you guys a sneak peek video that I shot the other day of Mr. Bloomfield's new Black Widow. Go, 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 go. I see him down there. And it looks like he's brought a friend. Mr. Bloomfield!
What's going on?
How are you, sir? Good to meet you.
Thanks for picking us up.
Absolutely. I pulled over in the parking lot of this hotel by the airport because safety first. Wanted to introduce you guys to Mr. Russ Bloomfield. Since Tim couldn't come with me today, I can't do a whole lot of fancy camera maneuvering. So what I'm actually gonna do is let Russ tell you while we're on the way back to the shop a little bit more about himself and his business and why he chose an SCA Performance truck. Then when we get back, we'll do the reveal and get his reaction.
I'm Russ Bloomfield. I'm from West Virginia. I have a company called Evergreen Environmental, and we do hazmat cleanups, and I have heavy equipment. And I bought a single-wheel Ford last year, an F-350, and I decided to go back to the dually. And I saw Drew's video on a 250 dually they did, I guess, a year ago on the website. Drew sold a truck for SCA Performance. How's that? So I decided to do one. I called, and these guys set it up just the way I wanted.
What was it like dealing with Eric Jones and the guys at Mountaineer?
I did a commercial for them last year. They're like family to me. So I go in there and kind of tell them what I want. Next thing I know, y'all are putting it together.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you?
12.
That's what I like to hear.
I can't wait to see it. I've seen some pictures, but from what you guys tell me, the pictures don't do it justice.
It is one heck of a good looking truck. And just one more question. Why did you choose the orange color scheme for your F-350?
Well, I have a new Harley Davidson Street Glide, has that gunship metal gray paint, so that's why I went with the dark gray. The leather seat on that bike has the orange trim stitching.
Okay.
So I thought, okay, I'm gonna match my truck up to match my bike.
You ready?
Yep.
All right, we're gonna do it right now.
Let's go. It looks bigger in person.
Always does.
Oh yeah. Y'all really get to drive at home today?
Well, I hope you would, yeah.
Allowed to get in it yet?
Yeah, go ahead. I was about to tell you to get in there and check out that custom paint on the inside. I love how that orange pops.
Man.
What about the custom seats? What do you think?
Yeah, you can see my Harley seat. I mean, it's identical.
That is awesome.
I like the big tires, man.
You gonna try to talk him into letting you drive it a little bit?
Well, we're going to do
Watch yourself, Garrett. You're good.
Man, I'll tell you what. I'm like 120% pleased.
I'm really glad you're happy with the way it turned out.
Oh, yeah.
I'm glad I had the opportunity to meet you. Thank you for being a part of our passion-driven family. And I hope you enjoy this thing for years to come.
I will, buddy. Thank you very much.